Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. Kids, first we are using the color of black and now we draw the alphabet of A. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is B. Now we draw the alphabet of C. Kids, the next one is D. Now we draw the alphabet of D. D for dog, D for doll. And the next one is E. Kids, the next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Now we draw G. G for got. The next one is H. H for hand. Now we draw the alphabet of I. And the next one is J. Now we draw K. The next one is L. And now we draw M. M for moon, M for mango. The next one is N for nose, N for nest. Now we draw O. O for orange. Now we draw the alphabet of P and the next one is Q. Kids, the next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. And the next one is S. S for sun. Now we draw the alphabet of T. The next one is U. U for umbrella. Now we draw V. The next one is W. Now we draw X. The next one is Y. And the last one is Z. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.